For people with sensitive skin, applying a sunscreen feels like taking a risk every morning. Will it sting? Will it flare? And if that's your experience, the problem is not the sunscreen. It is the type. So today I'm going to tell you why tinted sunscreens for sensitive skin is the actual answer, and I will give you the 5 best options available right now. Chemical sunscreens convert UV rays into heat inside your skin, and that is what causes the burning and the tingling on the reactive skin. Mineral formulas with zinc oxide sit on the surface and deflect UV instead. And the iron oxide that gives the tinted sunscreens their color also block visible light and blue light, which untinted sunscreens miss. The tint is not makeup, it is an extra layer of protection. Here are my top picks for tinted sunscreen. The Ceuticoz Clear Zinc Tinted Sunscreen Gel, SPF 50, PA4+, zinc oxide base, niacinamide to calm redness, lightweight gel. My first recommendation for anyone new to mineral sunscreen, to the Dermatica Ray Protect Tint Mineral Sunscreen. It is 100% mineral, it has an SPF of 43.8 and it blocks blue light. Good if you are in front of screens as much as you are in the sun. Third, the Clinikally PerfecTint Powder SPF 40 in beige. This is the best tinted sunscreen for sensitive skin if your main challenge is reapplication. A powder format means no extra layering on an already reactive barrier. Fourth, the Fixderma Shadow Rx SPF 50 PA3+. It contains panthenol to soothe the skin barrier and works as a primer under makeup and addresses pigmentation along with sensitivity. And finally, the Eclipse Solaire Tinted Aqua Fusion Sunscreen, SPF of 50, PA3+. Its Aqua Fusion technology means it delivers hydration alongside protection. The one to pick if your skin is sensitive and dry at the same time. Every product I just mentioned is fragrance-free and built around either mineral filters or soothing actives. That is what makes the best tinted sunscreens for sensitive skin actually work. Links to all 5 sunscreens are in the description below. Subscribe for more videos like this every week.